Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then search for green Apple keyboard. Then click on install next to this app with Apple on it. And then click on open. Then enable in settings and enable green Apple keyboard. Then click on OK and OK. Then go back. Then switch input methods and switch it to the green Apple keyboard. Then click on finished. Now you can adjust some settings as well. And now, when you go into any app, you can type in, for example, Google. You can see that your Apple keyboard is now set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.